अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ ऐसे कंधे से कंधा मिला के with KK, it happens to be a fantastic show called Be Blunt Podcast and you will see me on it with KK.
So, electronic engineer, actress, TEDx speaker, and theatre personality. So, welcome Suchitra Pillai to Be Blunt Podcast.
Thank you very much. Fantastic to be here. और भी कुछ 50 चीजें हैं which I would have added, but we'll add that in the course of the interview.
Okay. So, सुचित्रा जी मुझे बताइए कि how you maintain yourself. ये मतलब unchanged सुचित्रा पिल्ले
हाँ लोग कहते हैं you know at 53 it's really nice to hear that you know कि you haven't changed. हाँ जैसे कि दिल चाहता है में थी वैसे ही दिख रही है, जैसे हिप्पीपुरे में थी वैसे ही दिख रही है, which is a great thing to hear. I have my parents to thank for that, probably my genes, क्योंकि मैं सच्ची में कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. I am not a gym person at all. योगा मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Actually आज कुछ you know दर्द हो रहा है because I went to yoga after many months. You know, but yoga is what I like. ये जिम में जाना, weights you know करना, that's not my thing. I like you know the peacefulness of
खाओ
yoga.
पियो ऐश करो.
हाँ and खाओ पियो seriously हाँ it's literally that. खाओ पियो ऐश करो. मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ including sugar जैसे कि मेरे चाय में है. I don't count the calories at all.
सुचित्रा जी मुझे बताइए रियल लाइफ एंड रियल लाइफ की सुचित्रा पिल्ले में क्या डिफरेंस है एंड हाउ यू रिस्पॉन्ड व्हेन सोसाइटी जज यू.
रियल लाइफ में ज़्यादातर मुझे वो बिची रोल्स मिलते हैं एटलीस्ट फॉर नॉट एनी मोर थैंक्स टू OTT बट पहले तो हमेशा वही बैड मदर इन लॉ, बैड मासी, बैड गर्लफ्रेंड, बैड दिस, बिची वाइफ, सब कुछ वॉज बैड. सो पहले तो मैं सोचती थी कि यू नो टाइपकास्ट हो रही हूँ क्या यू नो, बट जब रोल्स मिल रहे थे at least they were bad roles which had character, which had you know layers to them, जो बहुत ही अच्छा है for an actress to play. अगर वही घिसा पिटा you're doing in every single series or film, then it gets boring. लेकिन if I was a bitchy wife in fashion and I was a bitchy girlfriend in दिल चाहता है, उसके हिसाब से सुरैया अब्दुल्ला in बेइंतहा the series was completely different.
Yeah.
You can't compare the two characters, you know. So real life Suchi for the most part is definitely not like real life Suchi. There are kuch roles hain jo probably take you know bits of my own personality into consideration. लेकिन frankly speaking as an actor मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब roles मिले जो बिल्कुल सुची की तरह नहीं है.
Okay.
You know when you have to push the boundaries a little bit.
एंड हाउ यू केयर फॉर द सोसाइटी जजिंग यू.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना. दैट इज माई मोटो. यू नो यू हैव टू लिव लाइफ लाइक दैट. ऐसे यू नो इफ यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट पीपल से, अरे दे आर गोइंग टू से ओ यू डन द सेम रोल अगेन. आई एम डूइंग द रोल, आई एम गेटिंग द मनी, सो व्हाई नॉट. आई गिव about it when it's creative criticism.
Okay.
Though I'm a Virgo and I hate criticism. But I do, you know, give a ear to listen when it's that.
Okay.
But बेकार में ऐसे ही, you know, बोलना कि oh, you're only doing negative roles, you're only doing this. But as I said, ये OTT platforms जो आए हैं, thanks to that, you know, us actors have got such a wide plethora now of roles, which thankfully I've got, you know, मैं 50 साल की हो गई और उसके बाद I've just worked hell of a lot more than I did at 25 and 30. तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
सो मुझे एक बात बताइए, द इंडस्ट्री गोइंग थ्रू लोज एंड हाइज, डिप्रेशन एंड ऑल. सो व्हाट इज योर होप स्टोरी एंड व्हाट लीड दैट टू सक्सेस?
It's always nice to have hope because you want to live your tomorrow. I have always seen my rejections, my losses, my failures as a springboard to what comes next. You know, I can say that I have never, you know, and I totally, you know, no offense to anybody who has gone through mental depression or anything like that. It is something that is really serious. But the way I deal with all of that is, number one, I listen to music. Number two, I just say, okay, tomorrow is yet another day और कुछ और आने वाला है, which is better. और इस इंडस्ट्री में के फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग यू हैव टू लिव विद द प्रिंसिपल कि जो लिखा है आपके पास ही आएगा. यू नो जो नसीब में है आपके पास ही आएगा. यू कैन डू वॉट यू वॉन्ट. आप बिल्डिंग के ऊपर जाके चिल्लाओ, नाचो, यू नो कि मुझे वो रोल चाहिए, वो नहीं आएगा इफ इट इज़ नॉट मेंट फॉर यू. एंड देयर इज़ इनफ वर्क. सबके लिए है काम, सबके लिए है. इफ़ यू डू योर हार्ड वर्क, यू नो आई थिंक देयर इज़ वर्क फॉर एवरीबडी. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता व्हेन यू नो पीपल से व्हाई डिड शी गेट इट एंड व्हाई डिडंट आई. Yeah, because it was not meant for you is my logic.
मुझे बताइए कि आपकी लाइफ जैसे जितना हमने सब पढ़ा है कि आपकी लाइफ तो एकदम रोलर कोस्टर राइड जैसी थी. ये शूज में कार्डबोर्ड डालने से लेकर सोल वाला क्या किस्सा है एक्चुअली? यू बिलोंग्स टू मलयालम फैमिली, मलयाली family.
Malayali, yes. I mean, I've had a wonderful childhood. Everyone has seen ups and
Bad
downs
phase
in
and
life.
all.
Okay, it is not. My father was never rich like that right from the beginning or anything like that. So one had to cut corners. यहाँ पे a little bit. Especially school में कभी कभार वो canvas shoes पहनते थे हम लोग and घिसते थे. They used to
बाटा के हुआ करते थे.
हाँ ना वो plain one, that plain one.
सबसे सस्ता आते थे वो.
सबसे सस्ता. तो एक तो chalk के साथ we used to make it white with chalk instead of buying a thing. And इतने so fast they घिस जाते थे the thing. So to buy हमेशा ऐसे हर 2 महीने to buy और 3 महीने possible नहीं था. तो इसके अंदर कार्डबोर्ड भी डाला करते थे हम लोग to make it last for a while, which has brought me to the point कि the value for money. My parents have never allowed us to want for anything कि ये नहीं मिला. But what was meant for us we would get somehow or the other. They would. Spoilt नहीं थे, me and my sister बिल्कुल spoilt नहीं थे. But it is so important for ourselves as well as our next generation to explain to them कि पैसे की अहमियत क्या है. You need to explain to them कि वो 500 रुपए which I'm just giving my daughter, what has gone into getting that 500 रुपए. So that's important. That's important, I think.
So आज आप कितने के शूज पहनती हो?
My cousin sister gave me 17 pairs of shoes, so I'm wearing one of those.
So मतलब still you care about money.
I get lots of free things. My friends always complain कि आपको बहुत सारी फ्री चीजें मिलती हैं. ऐसे ना भी मेरे नसीब में लिखा है, आपके नहीं.
Completely sponsored actor.
हाँ, no, not sponsored. No, frankly not. I go and I buy my things myself. This I bought. This my cousin has given me, but I buy my stuff. But I buy cheap stuff that looks good. You can wear it.
What is your idea about feminism and your comment on fake feminism?
Feminism, लोग बहुत बात करते हैं, about this bra burning and being a feminist and everything like that. You don't have to shout from the rooftops, Yes, equality needs to be there. In certain areas, that equality is not going to be there no matter how much you try. दुनिया ऐसी ही है. Yeah, so there is no point of screaming and shouting, saying this is not happening. You make your effort and you try and change it, but that's the maximum that you can do. You can't make somebody do something. Fake feminism hota hi hai when you have to say something for effect, when you have to create a headline. As I said, I'm not a feminist like that. I believe in being respected. I believe in making your own career. I believe in women having financial stability on their own. I believe in walking out of whether it's a relationship or anything, if you're not being respected and if it's not working and if it's not doing you any good. All of that for me is feminism. It is not screaming from the rooftops that he got so much and I should have got that much. That is the way of the world. It's right now that's the way of the world. We'll have to wait a long time for that to change.
So you have a discrimination story while shooting an ad film internationally.
Yes, in the UK.
In UK. What was that?
So I lived in the UK for 7 years and I did a bit of modeling, fashion many because I was not tall enough, but commercials, TV commercials. And बाल तो आपने देखे हैं, काले लंबे बालों की देखभाल आसान नहीं, तभी तो ये नया काला सनसिल्क. That was my first ad when I was 17. But England में I was called for a shampoo ad and I was like, अरे वाह, shampoo ad मिल गया. I go there and I was supposed to be the one with the bad hair, तो director भी मुझे देख के बोल रहा था, what are you here for? And I said, I'm the Indian face, the Indian girl, हमेशा ऐसे होता था, one token Asian face होता था in all of these ads. And that's when I walked in. And it had to be, a white face girl at that time. So we're talking about the 90s. Abhi sab kuch change ho gaya hai, you have all colors, people,
everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere and for all kind of products. But that time in the 90s, early 90s, I'm talking about 91, 92, it was still, the British girl with the short brown hair who was supposed to have beautiful hair.
Okay.
So uske liye they said, if now you're here, Some log, they were taking dirt and mud and all from the thing and putting it in my hair so that
Oh.
it didn't shine and so that it looked really bad. And I shot the ad like that, oh, she comes and she looks at me and she says, oh my God, you got to do something about your hair, like that. So, yeah.
So आज जब जाते हो तो आज का क्या change है?
आज
Being a
जब-
Suchitra Pillai.
No, it's not so much to do about being Suchitra Pillai. It's to do about how the mentality of people has changed around. This whole racism thing and all has reduced.
Okay.
Yeah, all over the world, frankly, it is. It is there. It is there, definitely. But
They still hate brown.
they don't hate. I don't think they hate brown. But thoda sa jhijhakna always, even now, if I were to sit in a underground in the UK or kisi ke bacche ke saath, I want to play. There are many times that you'd get that stare,
Oh.
rather than a smile and it's okay to play with my child, I've been through that. I've been through walking on the street in London with my ex-husband. He was an investment banker doing really well, and Jamadar, a sweeper, white guy, was sweeping, and we just passed him. We just walking, and he said, "You are taking our jobs to my husband." That's
Oh.
it, without any warning, nothing. He just screamed at my, because he was in a suit and everything like that. And we were like, where does that kind of hate come from? For what? And that was, as I said, 90s. I don't think it happens anymore. I hope it doesn't happen anymore.
Tell me, do you really fear of failure in life? कि कल काम
not.
नहीं मिलेगा and all.
In our industry, there is always that fear. It is the most insecure job in the world, being an actor. तभी तो why I don't fear that is because मैं हजार दूसरी चीजें करती हूँ. I'm a dubbing artist for international films that come here. I do Hindi dubbing.
You did Hela in
Yes,
Thor.
for Thor. Yeah, I did. I've done for Meryl Streep's voice. I've done many. Maggie Gyllenhaal, many. Angelina Jolie. And then I love to do voices like Schmeagol, remember from Lord of the Rings? I want it, I need it, the precious.
Whoa!
I love
Really cool.
yeah. So I love doing all of these strange voices. But then for the actors, it's nice to hear their voices, to see to hear how they've emoted, and then you make your voice accordingly.
You did any dub for Hindi?
I have, I think so. Yes, but some other language like French to Hindi, that type of thing. But no, not.
Any toon characters you did?
Yeah, I was in Bolt, the
Oh,
movie.
okay.
I was in Bolt. I was in Wall-E. The computer's voice was me, but in Bolt, I was the boss. Mindy, I think her name was, something like that. I was the boss's voice in that.
एक दो voice बताइए.
देखिए, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है सुचित्रा.
This, so every morning people call me sir, and when I pick up the phone and I sound like that anyway.
Your most favorite voice?
My most favorite voice I already did, Schmeagol. I
Schmeagol is
really scare my husband with that voice. He runs to the other room when I talk in that voice. Really.
Tell me what you do to irate your husband.
This only Schmeagol. As soon as वो हमेशा में I've done a lot of series and a lot of films where horror is involved, like Betal, and my first Hollywood film was a film called The Other Side of the Door, which was he hasn't seen any because he doesn't like horror.
Oh.
So if I really have to irritate him, either I talk like Schmeagol and ऐसे एकदम ऐसे देख चला जाता है.
वो एक fear तो उनको बना रहता होगा कि यार ये बंदी इतना ज़्यादा मतलब
He calls me a
negative-
witch.
हाँ मतलब
Witch
इतना
बुलाता है
ज़्यादा
मेरे को. He's bought me all the books on witchcraft. Really? And saying you are really, but a good witch. He says you're a good witch. Sometimes he says you're a witch, like that also. But otherwise he's bought me
he
all.
keep feeling threat ना कि यार कब अंदर का
हाँ,
जाग उठेगा character.
जाग उठेगा, exactly. But saying which, yeah, he says that and I do. I think I have those other occult is very interesting to me. I like to read about it. I
Okay.
like to watch stuff about it. I haven't started doing spells yet.
Please
But-
start. I will be your first client.
Yeah, but cards, etc. I have a knack. I want to tap that a little bit more. Let's see.
Tell me one thing. How heartbreak and love help you in acting?
They help a lot. Acting is all about feeling. It's all about emotion. It's all about reaction to something that and when you're talking about your own reaction to a personal situation, when you can use that in something that you're doing on screen. Sometimes it's tough for an actor to get into a space where you have to switch on like this and switch off. I'm a switch on, switch off person. You know, I don't need 20 minutes to go in one room and then come back and be emotional. It's easy for me. But yes, going through relationships, going through heartbreak and everything, it makes you a softer person, let's say, inside. So when you have to play a character that is going through something like that, it makes it much easier. You can think of things that you have been through. It helps. It really does help. It helps to get you into the zone.
Okay.
Music helps a lot to get into the zone. A lot of TV serials, suddenly you'll hear, hey, balle, 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 when everyone's supposed to be happy, and suddenly you'll hear some sad song, to make us all cry on the set. But it works. I have to say it works. But anyone going through any experiences in life, I think an actor per se, you need to treasure all of those experiences because you don't know कहीं ना
कब
कहीं
निकालना है बाहर.
कब निकालना है.
Coming back to your music point, कोई एक गाना सुनाइए.
Of course,
Whatever you like,
ghazal, which you want.
whichever you love the most.
आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है. आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है. आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपके अंदाज है. आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है. इन्होंने तो आंख बंद कर दी है तो राज तो छुपा ही
Wow,
लिया.
तालिया. It's really you got a very nice voice. मतलब मैंने तो सुना है, but it's really एकदम
Thank you,
live
thank
सुनने
you.
के लिए तो कुछ अलग ही मजा है.
Thank you. That's
And
the point.
आपका recently कोई album भी आया था ना?
तो अभी recently actually I did
एक साल हो गया शायद.
I did a first indie pop album way back in 2011. Abhi recently, the Sera Ka Time pe I released a devotional track, the Om Jai Jagdish Hare.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Suchitra Pillai Devotion?
Yeah, please listen to it on YouTube.
Oh.
It's a beautiful, it's turned out really nice. So all my friends wake up in the morning and they listen to it, it's nice. अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा modern है but not too modern. Recently I worked with an artist called Sameer. Brilliant artist who hasn't got his due yet, and I really hope he does. You should get him on your show.
Okay.
A track called Hum Tere Hue, where I did backing vocals for him.
Okay.
That was just a trial thing. But we've just recorded a song called Yara, which was from my first album, which we redone as a duet. So it's a love ballad, and we both and it's sounding. I'm waiting for everybody to hear it.
Okay.
It's in the post-production process,
Okay.
and that's the latest. And then I have an English rock album, जो अभी ready है, waiting for release. I've written the lyrics myself. London में it was mixed and mastered in London, and the live recording was done there, but my voice was recorded here. तो वो भी है.
Okay.
Music is my passion, क्योंकि it is. मैं अलग प्राणी बन जाती हूँ when I'm on stage.
So मुझे बताइए कि दुनिया में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो सुचित्रा जी चेंज करना चाहती है?
It would have to be. I mean, I want to change the price of tickets to go abroad.
Wow.
That I definitely want.
Onion tomato कुछ नहीं, price of ticket to abroad.
That, yeah, so that I can travel some more. Yeah, that's one thing I'd like to change for sure.
The most difficult director you ever work with?
I haven't had a. सच्ची में बोल रही हूँ. I mean, my 30 years of acting. I mean, 20. I haven't had a difficult director who didn't gel with me or didn't like what I was doing. But particular directors, there have been many. The late Pradeep Sarkar, it has to be just like that. Farhan Akhtar, at 26, when we did Dil Chahta Hai, it was amazing to see how that boy works.
Okay.
And it was amazing to see how he knew exactly what he wanted. He was directing Amir Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Akshay, Preeti,
All
and
big
yeah, and
actors.
but yes, and ultimately and Dimple and all, but he knew exactly what he wanted, and he knew how to get everyone to do what he wanted, but giving them a little bit of leeway as well, which is what a brilliant director does anyway.
Yeah, you have to.
So no difficult directors, I would have to say, no difficult directors, no.
So which medium you like the most, film or OTT?
देखो, film is always, fantastic. 70 mm में आप, अपने आप को देखना, But then again, आजकल films OTT के लिए ही बनते हैं, you know. So we're better to choose OTT in this thing. I have to say OTT at the moment would be a bit of a favorite only because the range is so much.
Yeah.
हाँ, I mean the range is really really good. अभी मेरे बहुत सारे shows आने वाले हैं इस साल में, which I've already completed. In one I'm playing an English teacher, in one I'm playing a journalist, in one I'm playing the boss of a news channel, in one I'm playing the second wife of somebody. You know, so it's just like many different roles that you get to play tak, you know, like that, which is great.
और फिल्म का पता नहीं होता है कब रिलीज होगी, कब कंप्लीट होगी, क्या
that is one thing, and time लगता है ना बनाने में. This तो they all finish it off and then you know that कभी ना कभी जल्दी आने वाला है बाहर, you know. So
film is passion and OTT is ration.
It's a good line. I'm going to use it. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So मुझे बताइए कि क्या सुचित्रा पिल्ले जी आज भी काम मांगती हैं?
100%. 100%. आज भी सुचित्रा पिल्ले ऑडिशन देती है. It is my work. I love it.
Auditions भी
I
होते हैं?
give auditions if they want an audition. Whether I just gave a voice audition on the phone and came for my another dubbing thing. No problem at all. I respect my work. You can be in the industry for, you know, 40 years. Amitabh Bachchan probably doesn't need to give an audition. But for a director to see you play a certain character, it is his entire right to make you do an audition. Rather than say, हाँ कर लेगी. There are many that have come to me saying कर लेगी and I've done it. But there are many who have said, we really want to see whether you can do this. You know, and it's exciting for me to do it and I've got the rules. 100% और 100% काम मांगती हूँ because as I said it's an insecure business. कुछ ऐसे 3-4 महीने होते हैं जब कोई काम नहीं है. And I don't mind saying I call up all of my casting director friends myself. I don't have an agent. I don't have a secretary. I have not worked with an agency. I've never worked with a PR firm. 30 years. And you know, I've touched wood. I'm doing okay at the moment. But I call up casting directors. I tell them I've just finished this project. I'm free right now. कुछ हो रहा है क्या?
Okay.
Yeah. चूल्हे जलना चाहिए यार घर में, you know, it's and why the ego? Yeah, for what? It is your work. You love it. Mango yaar. So what? Don't sit on a high chair saying, हाँ, I've done this and I've done that, and that'll never be me. I'll write it now and sign it and give you, no matter where I reach in the next 20 years of my work.
So ऐसा कोई moment आया जब बहुत time तक आप खाली रहे and low phase of life?
You know, no, because I have always gone out, of course, during lockdown and, you know, all of that type of thing, which everybody
Apart
had.
from that.
Last year, there were 4-5 months where nothing happened. Nothing was happening. Na kuch dubbing, na kuch nahi ho raha tha. And worry sets in. But that's when I made all my calls. And soon after those 4-5 months, I've got a lot of work that's happening now continuously until June. So, you know, I'm happy with... but it pays off, KK. It pays off. People realize that, you know, it is because you love your work and you want to work, that you're making those phone calls. And I don't see any ego in that. I don't see any reason to have your ego when it comes to your work. You know, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be that.
So, Suchi, मुझे बताइए, what is the theatre connection?
Oh my God, theatre is... It's just the most brilliant thing for an actor. I think anybody who wants to be an actor should definitely taste theatre because it's the true test of an actor. या तो लोग टमाटर फेंकेंगे या फिर तालियां बजाएंगे, you know.
There is no retake
that's
there.
it. There's no retake over there. There's no retake. It teaches you how to be attentive, you know, which lots of people on a set, they're not. वो उनका dialogue है, उनका close-up है, you know. It's very important to read an entire script or to read an entire scene to see कहाँ से आ रहे हो, कहाँ को जा रहे हो. All that one learns in theatre. You know, where have you come from? Where are you going to? क्या हो रहा है scene में? Beginning, middle, end. How is it going to affect the next scene? All of that you learn in theatre, you know, and voice modulation, you learn that. And to be on the ball, literally creating things in your mind space. You know, if you forget lines, how are you going to save yourself? How are you going to save your co-actor? It's all about action, reaction. It's all about give and take in theatre. And it is the biggest buzz on the planet. अभी तक मैं एक play कर रही हूँ लिलेट दुबे जी के साथ जो 27 साल से कर रही हूँ. 27 years and we are still doing it. अभी तक 53 years of age, I'm playing a 25-year-old in that one also. It's a double role. I play Lilette also at a younger age. It's a play called Dance Like a Man. As I said, 27 years and 690 show से ज़्यादा किया है.
Great.
और भी कर रहे हैं. अप्रैल में है पृथ्वी में शो. So we we could keep that going. I will always have the time for theatre. Always make the time for theatre.
So tell me one thing, what is your message for the upcoming actors जो मुंबई में struggle कर रहे हैं, रह रहे हैं?
आपने ठान लिया है कि आपको एक्टर बनना है. Yes, be realistic about it in the sense. अगर आपके पास talent है or somebody has told you that you know you're talented, yes, give it a chance. Be a little bit realistic also. Okay, give it a shot, 100%. कोई आपसे कह नहीं सकता कि आप बन नहीं सकते हो, लेकिन talent does count. आप nepotism की बात करो, ये वो करो, but ultimately talent does count. Okay, give yourself a shot and see if it is something for you. Easy नहीं है. I've never had a godfather or godmother or whatever who brought me into the industry, but I have touched wood. I have been lucky. I don't mind saying that I have been lucky getting the work that I have gotten. हाँ तो क्या है? It's been character roles. It's been good character roles, well-defined character roles. So people remember, you know, what I have done. My life could have changed. जो जीता वही सिकंदर that time. Aisha Julka's role.
You said no for the.
Yeah, because engineering कर रही थी. अब क्या कर रही हूँ engineering के साथ?
Electronic कर रहे हो music के साथ.
So believe in yourself. Give yourself. But if you want to be an actor, ऐसा मत बोल कि हाँ मैं बॉम्बे जा रहा हूँ actor बनना है. Hone your skills. You know, do something to make yourself a good actor. या तो courses करो, या तो you know the other things that go with acting. For a guy, your horse riding, your dance classes, all of that. You need to do all of that to keep it going, so that people take you seriously. You need to do even for girls, you know, maintain yourself. It's all about looks in the industry, how you look, this, that, and the other. So you know, but give it 100%, but give yourself a timeline also.
Right.
और अगर वो timeline में कुछ हुआ नहीं है, keep it going as you can keep it going, but use my advice and do other things. जैसे कि as I said, I've got my finger in many pies. या तो dubbing, या तो comparing. I'm still a presenter on a TV show for the UAE. Anything, writing.
Because stability भी matter
lyrics,
करती है.
Singing, you know, everything.
आपको survive भी करना है.
Yeah. So you've got to keep it going. Alternate. Have something alternate. Do not come here with your life savings and say सिर्फ actor बनूंगा. Don't do that.
Unless your father is a builder or a big man.
Yeah. Until and unless that is there and you have a silver spoon in your mouth. But otherwise, when it comes to acting, always have a plan B. You know, at least then it softens the blow thoda bahut.
So coming back to going forward to the rapid fire round, your favorite political party in India?
Oh, right now it's definitely BJP for what they've done to the country. Yeah.
What is your PMO connection?
Well, let's just put it this way. I'm doing a project that has the green signal from the PMO's office, and it's to do with.
So no way you're getting into politics.
No.
Or contesting elections. So the biggest lie
I'm
you have
useless
been
at
told in a relationship.
Was when my first ever boyfriend was cheating on me with somebody else. It was a long distance relationship. And the day of the breakup, when I called and there was this other girl kept picking up the phone, and he kept saying, and when he would come on, he kept saying, oh, that's his flatmate's girlfriend, And then one day when she picked up the phone, she said, oh yeah, this is so-and-so's girlfriend. Who are you? And that's when I found out that it was, so that's the biggest lie.
सुचित्रा जी ने कभी मतलब गाड़ी की कांच नीचे करके किसी को गाली वाली दी है?
But I'm not a rash driver and I'm not a road rage person.
3 people on your speed dial list.
Oh, it would have to be, my husband is on number 1. My daughter, my friend Madhu in Italy. Yeah.
Okay. So most expensive thing you bought for someone? दिया ही नहीं है कोई गिफ्ट किसी को?
नहीं, मैं बहुत देती हूँ, हमेशा देती हूँ यार, हमेशा देती हूँ. Probably अभी recently जो कंप्यूटर मैंने मेरे हस्बैंड को दिया.
क्या बात है?
Yeah. That or you know tickets to somewhere to abroad somewhere or whatever. That
so ऐसी टिकट बांटती रहती हो आप सबको के?
नहीं, I'm talking about family. अच्छा. No, but otherwise most expensive gift would have to be some jewelry or something that I've given to my sister probably.
So you ever visited to therapist?
No, a shrink. No, I've played a shrink in Kho Gaye.
So Malayali food or Mumbai street food?
Malayali food. Love it. Yeah.
How you say in Malayali you love it?
എനിക്ക് വലിയ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്.
So that's it for the day. Suchitra ji, thank you so
much.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
No. It was so much fun. So much fun.
It's wonderful.